Guys, ayan, bago kami pumunta ng beach, guys, ayan, maglagay muna tayo ng lotion. One of my ginagamit na lotion, guys. Ayan po. I really love this. Ayan po. Isa to sa nagpapaputi sa akin, guys. Ayan, yung aking lotion na ginagamit. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, ang smooth nito sa balat at ang bango pa. Ayan, ito yung aking, ang bango. Bango niya, guys. Ayan. Lagay pa tayo. Ayan. Para kasing ano to siya, guys. Para siyang sunblock. Ayan. Para siyang sunblock, guys. Ayan. Nag-ano din to siya, guys. Ng ano. Pag tayo ay nainitan. Ayan. Pag tayo ay nainitan, guys. Ayan. I really love this lotion, guys. Ang lakas niya makaputi. Ayan. Ang lakas niya makaganda, guys. Ayan, so this is it. Ayan, ready na ako sa aming pagbe-beach, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating ano. Ang ganda nito, guys. Isa to sa aking ginagamit. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, guys, yung aking skin. Napakaganda, di ba? Ayan po. I really love this one, guys. Ayan yung ating ano. Ayan, ready na, guys. Ang ganda nito. Ayan po, yung aking blazer for today. Ayan, wow! Worth of 150 pesos. I really love it. Ayan, guys, isusukat na natin siya. Ayan, kasi pupunta tayong beach. Yung ating outfit for today. My beach outfit for today, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ayan po, ito yung ating blazer na susuotin. Ayan, for today. Ayan, so guys, ito na. Ito na yung aking blazer na napakaganda. I really love it. Ang lakas niya makaputi, guys. Ayan, oh. One of my favorites. Ayan, guys. Pack na pack siya. Yung ating likuran. Ayan. Pack. Ayan, guys. Ay, diba? I really love it. Ayan, guys. Meron din naman akong panibagong blazer. At ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, sumurang halaga lang yan, guys, for only 150 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack yung aking beach outfit for today. Pack. Ayan. Ayan, ganda naman yung aking, ano, guys, fashion for today. Because I really love having them, guys. Pack. That's all for today, guys. I really love it.